name is Stefan. And
I'm
Mama's here.
Sabrina.
My name's Taylor.
And we decided to check out the Earthwise Tiller and Cultivator. It's electric. We have a regular big tiller, but some of the spots we wanted to just fit into.
Yeah.
So we're going to assemble it and then give you a review. If it takes us too long, then we'll stop it and then restart it. Okay, here we go.
Yep. And now,
So
what
this-
it looks
Okay,
like.
wait. Okay, the first on the directions is we boxed it off, and you always make sure every part's in here.
Yes.
Okay.
If you don't have
We're gonna
it,
do the wheels.
Number one or
Mama.
number two, take off the wheels and put the wheels on. Your
And-
bolts.
and bullets take a long time to take off.
Oh, that wind is really strong.
And then when it moves down here, you'll
Stefan,
have
you want to get the cover to the wheel, so it also has a nifty cover.
Goes this way.
what cover? What cover?
Let me take this.
What cover?
This cover. You're going to put this on the wheel. See, you got a nifty
Gently.
cover.
There you go.
And then what you do? Like that. And then you need another one like this. And
Wait,
then
wait, wait.
there's
Did you
a-
hammer it in or you didn't need to? Is it in already?
Nope, not that good.
Gentle, gentle. He's got his little hammer. Is it in? Okay, come on over here. Do the next. Wait, let me move this out of the way. Stefan. Ooh, you're
So far it seems pretty good.
Yes.
We're only
And
putting
you
on the
need
wheels
me,
so far.
but you don't need her.
Okay, Stefan's job.
Not yet.
Okay, and I love the directions. They actually show a picture of each little frame with arrows. It's not like a baby crib that I gave up when she was born. Okay, number two.
We're gonna restart over. We're gonna restart over.
Stop.
All right, welcome back. The camera shut off by accident.
I think it about tipped is what it was.
So what we did is we just pushed this button to raise
Like this.
the wheel. Okay, so
Okay.
now,
Do you need that thing on there?
yeah.
Okay.
So
So,
go ahead and give me-
so next we're going to put the center handle and which you just put on, and then two for the center handle with the brackets. So here's one.
That's one.
Stefan, did you take one off? Okay. Okay. No.
And make sure you put it in the correct way.
Wait, Stefan, you gotta wait.
Maybe you can go.
Taylor, you have to take yours off.
Yeah, so you put it in like that, but first put this on. You're going the wrong way. Let go, please. Okay, now hold it.
From the bottom up. Yeah, that's good. No, nothing. Help him though.
It's always tricky to find the little holes.
Okay, put it
No.
on. No, let him put it on. Righty tighty.
This way. Yo, this is what you do. Ask the parent to help you if you want to make one. Because they're not able to one piece. Take a while to look.
Is it teamwork?
Yeah. And you just tighten it up.
He helped us with the greenhouse as well.
Yep. Our greenhouse is over there.
Oh, one important step to not forget is we put this put on ahead of time.
No,
So we
it
don't
does
forget
say
it.
that.
Yeah.
You did that. Okay. Don't forget that one because then you can't hook your cord on.
Okay.
Okay, next is the center handle again with the upper handle.
And then we need one.
Stefan,
then we
same thing.
then
No, put that back. Don't take any bolts out until.
Give me one.
in mine.
Did you get yours lined up? Stefan, your mom's got it moved. Honey, move it so he could get his in.
He will, but he's going wrong.
Yes?
Wrong way.
I don't think he is.
Okay, pull the screws and I got it. Okay. 2-6.
They're all tied in almost.
Fasten the upper handle section to the center handle using the 2 supply J-joints.
Where?
Give them to your mom.
Do yours. Another important aspect, make sure this green thing is above, not under, because if not, it just falls down.
No, give it to her. It's over there on the other side. She's got to put hers on first. Stefan, wait for your mom. You hooked the cord on, remember? What's the cord?
Oh. Where's that cord?
Yeah, I guess so. Yeah. It holds on to here. You want to see? See right here? Hold this over so she could see. I would think up, right? Okay. Alright.
And when you do that jump, watch out for bead and walk. It's the thing you. And I think it's on today.
Yeah, that holds it on. That's what it shows. Oh, there you go. Then it hooks onto that. Yeah, I don't see what the point is on that. Okay, the other one hooks on too. Yeah, that just holds it from. Only one. Okay. Alright. We're done. So we're gonna till Taylor's cool weather vegetable garden. It's really tiny, so we're gonna try it on that.
One part.
Oh, nope, actually that comes right off on this cord.
Honey, that just held it. No, we don't need that now.
Okay, please subscribe and
No,
like
we'll
this
be back in
channel.
a minute. This is a quick view of what we're doing next. We thought we might as well plant it before the rain comes in. But Taylor grew a lot of vegetables, including lettuce, broccoli, kale, all of the cold weather stuff. And it's going to go in here. We'll post a picture when it's done.
Hi, okay, welcome back. So what we did is we finished this up for the most part. We still have to mulch here. So let me tell you what we planted. So right here we have our lettuce. We have our Swiss chard. So this will be a beautiful red and green. We have another line of Swiss chard. We also have another type of vegetable lettuce here. And then in this row you can see our spinach. And this is definitely the coldest one out of all of them. And shockingly, we have our cilantro from last year still alive. And then here we had some more leftover Swiss chard. So we have the green and the multicolor, the red and green, right there, as you can see. And also, in between each one, we have garlic. Because last year we had a little 5-year-old bunny that got in here and ate all the vegetable plants. But it also keeps away, you know, bunnies, of course, and bugs. Bugs hate the smell of it. And then in about September, you can pull it up and eat it, and it's delicious. And we'll go ahead and show some finished pictures once we finish getting the mulch for this side, but we're done for the day. Please subscribe and like this channel, and please share this channel as well. Bye.